Douglas O'Rain is a trailblazer and one of the Caribbean's most respected and visionary business leaders. In the 1990s, as CEO, he led Grace Kennedy Limited, a major Caribbean conglomerate. Under his guidance, Grace Kennedy is on track to transform itself from a Jamaican trading company into a global consumer products and services group by the year 2020. Mr. O'Rain now serves as non-executive chair of the organization. Born in Jamaica, he holds a degree in mechanical engineering from Glasgow University and MBA from Harvard Business School. He considers his greatest achievement being able to devote his life to making Jamaica a better place in which to live and work. According to his colleagues, Mr. O'Rain possesses an active social conscience and leverages his position as a leader of industry to highlight the possibilities in Jamaica, particularly in education, youth, private and public sector engagement. In 1998, he chaired a task force to examine ways to reduce waste in Jamaica's public sector. Implementation of the resulting recommendations, known as the O'Rain Report, saved the Jamaican government several $1 million. Colleague and friend G. Raymond Chang says Douglas is always one step ahead. He leads with integrity, foresight, and vision, and sees the finish line clearly. Amongst his many honors and awards are Commander of the Order of Distinction, bestowed by the Jamaican government in 2002, and an Honorary Doctor of Laws degree from the University of the West Indies in 2008. Most recently, the Latin Trade Group named him the Social Sustainability Leader of the Year for Latin America and the Caribbean. He continues to live by two commandments: love thy God and love thy neighbor. With the hope of leaving the world a better place, he is passionate about creating pathways for the young to chart lives which are productive and satisfying. What you may not know is that he starts his day practicing yoga and is a first-degree black belt taekwondo since the 1970s. Tonight, we honor Dr. the Honorable Douglas O'Rain with a Vice Chancellor's Award for Leadership in Business.